If you spend time outdoors, you're undoubtedly concerned about tick-borne diseases, and with good reason. Emergency room visits due to tick bites are currently at their highest levels in a decade. In addition to Lyme disease, other tick-borne diseases such as alpha-gal syndrome and Powassan virus are on the rise. What's more, warmer temperatures have extended tick season, heightening the need for vigilance. You don't need to go camping or hiking to encounter ticks. It's estimated that some 70% of tick bites occur right near people's homes. Thankfully, there are many ways to make your yard less hospitable for these miniature menaces. Doing so requires reducing potential tick habitats and discouraging the deer, mice, and other animals that host them. To reduce tick habitats, minimize the moist, shady places that ticks prefer. Remove leaf litter, mow grass regularly, and keep it short. Store firewood in a dry, sunny area away from the home. If your property abuts the woods, reduce tick migration by installing a 3-foot wide perimeter of gravel, mulch, or dry wood chips. It's also helpful to keep living areas away from the forest edge. Move swing sets, hammocks, and lawn furniture back from the woods, preferably to a sunny location. Finally, deter deer, mice, voles, and other small animals that host ticks from visiting your property. Planting deer-resistant perennials is one way to discourage deer. These include aromatic plants like lavender, spiky ones like agave, and bad-tasting ones like foxglove. You'll find many more choices, as well as other strategies, at the links below. Perhaps the best way to keep deer away is with #1 rated Bob-X deer repellent. To deter small animals that can also host ticks, use Bob-XR. Both products are long-lasting, won't wash off in the rain, are made from natural ingredients, and are totally safe for children and pets. What's more, they're guaranteed. With tick-borne diseases on the rise, don't take chances. Follow these simple strategies to keep ticks away from your yard so you can enjoy the great outdoors disease-free. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.